Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This video shows how to import Chrome extensions into Firefox step by step. First, understand compatibility limits and signing requirements. Many Chrome extensions use the Web Extensions API and run unchanged in Firefox. Some use Chrome-only APIs and need modification before they will run. You can use an add-on to convert automatically. Alternatively, you can extract a CRX file, load it temporarily for testing, then prepare a signed XBI for permanent installation. Follow the next slides for practical steps and tips. First, open Firefox and install Chrome Store Foxified from Add-ons, Mozilla, org. Follow the add-on prompts to enable installation from the Chrome Web Store. Next, visit the Chrome Web Store page for the extension you want. Click the Foxified Install button to convert the CRX to a Firefox extension automatically. Review requested permissions and allow the add-on to install. Finally, test the extension carefully, because some Chrome APIs may behave differently in Firefox. For manual conversion, download the CRX file from the Chrome Web Store or use an extractor. Rename the CRX to zip and extract all files to a folder that includes manifest, JSON. Open Firefox and navigate to About Debugging, then choose this Firefox and load temporary add-on. Select the extracted manifest, JSON to load the extension for testing. To install permanently, pack the files into an XBI and submit to add-ons. Mozilla, org for signing unless you run Developer Edition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.